We're doing the beer program tonight.
Yeah, we got extra on here.
So this is Parrot Delany's April 18th, 2018. Running a retired guys get together.
I wish I was retired. Oh no.
Oh, you'll be there someday. We'll hook up you.
Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is we're trying out some new wing sauces at the tavern. They're not on the menu yet, but we're trying to get the customers to try them out to see which ones they like more than others before we add them to the menu. We can also pair them with some beers from our menu. We have 21 beers on tap, so we have a vast array of things we can pair with all kinds of different food. But with the chicken, these are the best for this. So I want to see what you guys think. Yeah.
So what do you got? Can you walk through?
Sure. Yep, absolutely. So basically the same thing with the two trays in order. They're all numbered 1 through 5 with the sauces and 1 through 5 with the beers. So they go counterclockwise, 1 through 5 with the sauces, and the beers go the opposite, 1 through 5 matching. So I'll just pass them out, whatever you guys want to do, and you can have your way with it.
Yeah, that was the same one.
Yeah, it was. Oh yeah, it was, right? Long day today.
I'm just here with you.
So you guys can, wherever you want to grab a fork and maybe grab a bite of chicken, and I can pass along the first beer. If you want to start with the first sauce, or you can do whatever you want. It's up to you. You can jump around too if you want.
The forks came from, okay.
Yeah, there's 2 forks in the tray there.
I think we're going to go
Start as a starting? Okay, so that's the sweet teriyaki. And I remember
that's
you guys were here,
wonderful.
what, on Thursday last week, and I was here, that was the first time I did it, so.
Now, have you noticed a lot of people ordering these after you do
We're
them?
selling like crazy, yeah. That's why Jen has been still doing it, because we're selling
that's
like
pretty
crazy.
sneaky.
So this I think it should be, because it's got a little kick to it. I think a nice lager. This is just a Stella Artois, which is served in like over 80 countries. It's a really nice lager.
Yeah. So you're out to counter the.
Yeah, just trying to bring down that spice a little bit. Yeah.
Problem I'm having is I like all 5 of them.
Well, you could probably, if you had some of these wings with.
They call it cream soda for adults. I don't think I gave this to you guys last week. I don't think so.
Doesn't seem.
They call it cream soda for adults, so it's a nitro beer. It's out of California, Anderson Valley. I actually went to this brewery before, and I went to visit my brother in San Francisco. So I've been here. It's really nice, and it's definitely different. It's another one that's going to catch you off guard. Cream soda for adults.
It's awfully smooth. There's alcohol in that?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, it's,
You're in San
5%,
Francisco?
5% alcohol. It's not out of San Francisco. It's out of Boonville, California. It's a little north of San Francisco. But it's totally unique and different.
Where's that flavor coming from?
Yeah, it's just like that's what they literally say. It's known as cream soda for adults.
Yeah.
That's what it says on the website.
Wow.
It just tastes like a cream soda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. It's almost like those.
It's 5% alcohol, so it's got a little bit of kick to it. So.
Sure. That was a free for all.
Oh yeah, there's everything. There's nothing left to sample. Here, so.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
It's outstanding. It's catch and release, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's catch and release from the bridge down in the center of New Hartford up to the I think now it's up to the abutments in Wedmore Pool.